Hello again. Let's explore an exciting opportunity in agriculture blueberry farming in India. Let's quickly learn how you can turn this superfruit into a lucrative business by knowing about the process, investment, and earnings annually. There are crores of rupees in this business if you can do it carefully. Let's dive a bit deeper now into the world of blueberry farming. So, why blueberries? Blueberries are not just only delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients, making them favorite among health conscious consumers. But why should you consider farming them? Let's look at some compelling reasons. Indian consumers are moving more towards healthier choices and alternatives. The health crisis in India, particularly in the context of lifestyle induced diseases. Lifestyle induced diseases. The more we sit, the more we bend, the more we lie on the couch. So, these lifestyle induced diseases have prompted a substantial portion of the population to re evaluate their dietary habits. The study reveals a notable increase in customer awareness with 38% in Bangalore and 34% in Hyderabad, expressing genuine concern about their health. The concern is translating into a willingness to pay a premium for healthier food options. The study indicates that 64% of customers lack awareness about the benefits of exotic fruits and vegetables. However, there is a positive shift going on with 35% in the Bangalore and 30% in Hyderabad pursuing exotic foods as healthy options already. This signals an opportunity for business to bridge the gap by offering more and more nutritious choices foods to consumers. Now, blueberries are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. With rising health awareness, the demand for this superfruit will soon be skyrocketing. So, moreover, the Indian climate, especially in the regions like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and parts of southern states in Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, which I am showing now on the screen, these are the places that are suitable for blueberry cultivation. I'm giving you a researched information on the screen about the places where you can consider this farming, as these are the places that are known for their favorable climate and soil conditions, making them ideal for blueberry cultivation. Now, let's talk about setting up your blueberry farm. The initial investment includes land, saplings, irrigation systems, and labor. And here's a short step by step guide. Number one is land selection. As you know, if you belong to any of these places that are shown on the screen, or you have farms in any of the screen, then you should be considering this option. So now, out of these options, you have choose well drained acidic soil land with a pH value between 4.5 and 5.5. How would you know the acidity of the soil? It's simple. There are ready-made test kits available on the market, which you could buy and test it yourself. An acre of land can accommodate about 1200 to 1500 blueberry plants. And saplings, high quality blueberry saplings can cost around 150 rupees to 200 each. So bring these saplings and then plant it in this acre of land. And you should consider drip irrigation as ideal. And it is going to cost you around 25 to 30,000 per acre, not more than that. And labor and maintenance, monthly labor cost can range from 10,000 to 15,000, not more than that. And now, maintaining your blueberry plants is crucial for a good yield. Here are some best practices for blueberry cultivation. Planting. Space between the plants must be 4 to 5 feet apart in rows. And regular watering is essential, especially during the dry season. Prune bushes annually to encourage new growth. Use organic fertilizers only to maintain soil health. Take care of the pest control by implementing organic pest control methods to protect your crop. And harvesting blueberries typically begins in the third year. Let's plan much ahead of the time. Patience is a key in the agriculture always, because so are the results when you start to receive them. There are many successful software engineers, doctors, who are really happy with the farming choices they made by doing it full time. Don't get disheartened by hearing the timeline of 3 years, because when you start seeing the results, you'll forget the waiting pain you have undergone. Let's break down the potential earnings and marketing strategies. So, by the third year, each plant can produce 1 to 2 kgs of blueberries. An acre can yield about 3000 kgs annually, and blueberries can sell for 500 to 800 rupees per kg in the market. With proper care, an acre can generate around 24 lakhs annually. Selling directly to consumers or supermarkets or exploring the export opportunities would boost your profits. Processed blueberry products like jams and juices also have got good market to consider. Now let's take much more closer look at the financials involved in the blueberry farming and the return of investment. Initial investment, you if at all that you don't own the land, then or you take it by lease, it would be around 5 lakhs per acre. And saplings, to buy these saplings, like roughly around 1200 saplings, it would cost you around 1.8 lakhs. Irrigation 50,000 rupees, and labor 1.2 lakh, miscellaneous 50,000 rupees, and total investment would be around 8.8 lakhs roughly. These are the approximate calculations. And the annual maintenance costs: labor 1.5 lakhs, fertilizers and pesticides 50,000 rupees, miscellaneous 30,000 rupees, and total annual costs would be 2.3 lakhs. So from year 3 onwards, you would see profits anywhere between 10 to 24 lakhs per acre annually, and net profit would easily hit around 20 lakhs annually after the maintenance costs. As you can see, blueberry farming in India holds immense potential. With the right approach and dedication, you can turn this into a high profitable venture. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more and more business insights into profitable farming practices as well. Now, if you are considering investing into this unique business, make sure to plan carefully and manage your operations efficiently, as I always say. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.